Hey, welcome to Design Guy. I'll show you how to quickly turn text into a clickable email link in Canva. Click the Create button, then choose Custom Size from the options. Enter 200 by 200 pixels as your dimensions to set up your new project. Here, you can choose and use any available templates to customize your project easily. After completing the previous step, you can now add your text to the project by typing it directly into the designated text field. Place the email field anywhere you need on your form. Click on the email field to edit it, and type the label, such as email. Then, in the settings, you can add your own email address, or customize the placeholder text as needed. Save your changes when finished. To change the font, start by highlighting the text you want to edit. Next, locate the font drop-down menu in the toolbar. Click it to view available fonts, then select your preferred font style. The text will update to reflect your choice. Type your email address into the provided field, then enter your message or any additional text in the text box below. Make sure all details are correct before proceeding to the next step in the process. To use the same font type in the time sample, first locate the font selection menu. Click to open the list of available fonts. Scroll to find the font you want to use and select it. Next, click inside the time sample text box. Type your desired text and it will automatically appear in the selected font. This ensures consistent font styling throughout your project, making your design look professional and visually cohesive. After you've entered your email address, you can insert a hyperlink. To do this, either click the hyperlink icon in the toolbar or press Ctrl+K on your keyboard. This will open the hyperlink dialog where you can enter the URL you want to link. Enter your email address in the provided field. For example, you can copy and paste your Gmail address here. Double check that the email is correct. After entering your email, click the Done or Save button to complete the process. Add a hyperlink to your email, then click the Share button. Select Download. Choose your preferred size for the document. Under File Type, select PDF Print for a high-quality version, or PDF Standard for a smaller file size. After making your selection, click Download to save your design as a PDF document to your computer. Now you know how to hyperlink email addresses in Canva. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more quick tips.